Meet the coolest power bank you've ever seen. Compact enough to slip in your pocket and take anywhere. But wait, it transforms. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods with ease. Need to stream vertically or jump on a horizontal video call? No problem. Just twist and boom. It's your portable power solution on the go. Just a power bank? No way. It's so much more. Feel the perfect resistance, hear that satisfying mechanical click. It's a stress reliever, a creativity booster, a mini escape right at your fingertips. Oh, and did I mention? It's not just wireless charging. USB-C fast charging is in the mix too. Support us now to bring it to life.